Kuingira kwa murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini kurehete utheri mwingi makiria wigie ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwingi na umwe wa maria makoretwo magicungiriria hahu nene gatagati ka a Kenya ni uria gukoretwo gukirikana ati gutire na itanda cia kuigana cia ICU. No ndumiriri-ini yake igie murimu wa COVID-19, Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi wa Kagwe nireganite na uhoro uyu na gutariria ati ihinda-ini riri bururi uri na itanda cia ICU itanyihire 450 ukiringithania na ithabu ria arwaru wa COVID-19 aria kwa ihinda riri marabatara utungata wa ICU.
Before COVID, we had about 450 ICU beds for all Kenyan, the entire Kenyan population. But with the measures we have put in place, we have acquired an additional 483 ICU beds.
Ihinda-ini riu ni moigite bururi uri na macini cia guteithiriria mundu kuhihia citanyihire 500 na uũ ni thutha wa ingĩ igĩrĩ kuongererwo muthenya wa ira kaunti-ini ya Makueni hĩndĩ icera ria ministry no kaunti-ini iyo.
Saturday last week. In terms of ventilators, of course, the previous 450 ICU beds had 450 or thereabouts ventilators. For ventilators, as of last week, we had 513, and yesterday was Riri. You were gracious enough to give an additional 5 to Makueni, so we are hitting the 520 mark or thereabouts.
Na niguo gwikira wira kana ati gutire no unyihu wa itanda ici, ceceni ya Kameme TV ni hungurite kaunti-ini citiganite na kwa muhiano kaunti ya Nyeri iri na itanda 6, thibitari wa Mukurwe-ini uri na gitanda kimwe, thibitari wa Rifaro wa Nyeri itanda 2 na thibitari wa Karatina uri na itanda 3 na kwa kaunti-ini ya Murang'a kuri na itanda cia ICU 35. Minista wa ugima wa mwingi guku Joseph Mbai agitariria uria kaunti ino ithagathagite kung'ethanira na king'uki gia COVID-19.
Ithuĩ ta Murang'a County Government twirinde na twina isolation centers cia kwa isolate andu na ICU ihuthikaga tu ni undu wa mundu ria mwihire muno na kuringana na science iria irero ni andu a ministry turona arwaru aria mangihirwo muno Murang'a kugithuka muno ni 24 aria mangibatara utungata wa ICU na ithuĩ twina itanda 39 Murang'a County yothe.
Kaunti ya Siaya kuri na itanda 6, 2 ire gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Bondo, kuri ingĩ ire thibitari-ini nene wa Siaya na ciothe itire na arwaru. Nayo kaunti ya Nakuru ire na itanda 20 na macini 45 cia guteithiriria arwaru kuhihia.
We have 20 ICU beds and 45 ventilators which haven't even been used. So really we have enough capacity. And you are aware that His Excellency the Governor said that we want to escalate our bed capacity for COVID-19 to around 1,000. As we speak now, we are hitting around 400 beds.
Thirikari ikoretwo ikihinyiriria thirikari cia kaunti gutigirira ni magia na itanda 300 cia kuiga arwaru keheri-ini na muthenya wa ira. Kagwe ni ararutire mukana kuri thirikari cia kaunti kwaga guthamia arwaru wa COVID-19 kuma thibitari-ini ciao na kumarehe thibitari-ini guku Nairobi. Handu-ini Kameme TV Getwa Waithira wa Kihara.